Well, I don't have the build on hand, but I picked it on PC part lister, so let me show you what I put in on the $600 budget 1080p gaming system, and it can comfortably play 100 plus FPS on all games, and better games or AAA titles can play even 200 FPS plus if you put it on all high settings with no DLS, no FSR, all running amazing, and no ray tracing of course. Let's get into it. So let me show you the build I made. It comes to $650. Yes, as you can see, let me just $650 with a rabat code. I don't know how, but we start with the CPU. Of course, it's an Intel, because Intel makes the best. Actually, I would say Intel is the best bang for the buck CPU when you want to go budget, because AMD can be a little bit extremely. Motherboard wise, I would say AMD is better, but the CPU wise, it can be a little bit more expensive on the AMD side, and Intel makes some good budget CPUs for not a lot of money. So the CPU we start with is an i3 10100F. It's a quad-core processor, so 4 cores. It boosts to 4.3 GHz, so it's relatively good boosting, and it's only cost $70, so pretty good bang for the buck. It comes with a cooler, and we're gonna use that. You can upgrade that if you want to for a $20 or $30 extra. On the budget side, you can get a deep cool, you can get a be quiet, and so on if you want to. If you don't, if you're not comfortable running with the stock cooler, but this should plenty handle it because it's only 750 watts of use, so that stock cooler should be able to handle it with no thermal throttling at all. Comes to motherboard, it's a ASUS ROG B50 B560M Steel Legend. Yes, it's a RTX micro, so it's not ITX, it's not a full RTX, but it's in the middle. It have 3 M.2 slots provided. One of them is the same because of the CPU doesn't support it, but you still have 2, so I don't see the problem. You can just upgrade the CPU later down the line and get all 3 activated, and you can use all 3. So one of them is covered and one of them is not, but you get a full PCI lane with reinforced aluminum on it, so it's a strong 4 slots of RAM. Very good power delivery covered, so it get very cool. And overall, good looking board with a lot of even USB-C to the front case. That's very nice and good. So a lot of connectivity and very great motherboard. A little bit pricey, $100. I would say I will definitely put this to 80, but again, it have a lot of connectivity, so $100 is a bit pricey. And you can use this to upgrade processor if you want to later down the line. It can support that. Then now it is time for the RAM. It's some good classic RAM from Corsair. RAM kit 16 gigs or 2.8 with still 16 for $40, 3600 MHz, and DDR4 can upgrade later down. We'll put 2 more, and then you have 32 gig, and it's low profile, really good, reliable. Always one of them recommend those Corsair Vengeance. Then we have the storage drive. It's a 1TB M.2 for only $50. Yes, it's in free PCI, but it is still plenty of fast to what you need this PC for. Good compared to 1TB M.2, and $50 actually ain't not that bad. So comes to the graphics card, actually a very good graphics card. For the price, $234 is the Radeon 6650 XT 8GB of GPU RAM 1080p, so it could be totally enough, and you can run high settings, ultra settings, extreme settings at 1080p with no problem, 60 plus, and even some games 200 plus FPS. Then we come to the case. It's the Deep Cool C560, and you get actually for $60 you get 4 fans, 4 RGB fans. You get 3 in the front and 1 in the back. Plenty of space to a bigger motherboard, CPU cooling, and then of course CPU, and plenty enough to power supply and storage. Overall, a great case for the money, and in this budget, and very good future proving ahead. Then we got the goddamn power supply. I don't want to cheap on that. I will always go for 80 plus gold certification, so no, it's efficiency and very good. So it's a Thermaltake 100 watt 80 gold certified for only $60. Ladies and gentlemen, that sums up for the PC build, this $600 1080p focused budget build. I will of course put links down in the description, PC part that is in for this PC build. If you did like this video, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video out from your favorite boy, Tech JG, and comment down below if I should do a bigger budget PC build on PC part bigger. Nothing more than that, Tech JG is signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, peace out, see you on the next video. Bye.